Cabinet Secretary, last week the Welsh Affairs Select Committee called on the UK Government to pause changes to inheritance tax rules until the specific impact on Welsh farmers has been examined. The committee has made it clear that the changes to inheritance tax could have a disproportionate impact on Welsh farmers due to the unique nature of the industry here in Wales. And the report notes that the majority of farms in Wales are small, family-run livestock businesses with an average income of around £22,000. Now, Cabinet Secretary, next week's budget is an opportunity for the Chancellor to support Welsh and indeed Pembrokeshire farmers by scrapping the change to inheritance tax. And so ahead of that budget announcement, can you tell us what financial assessment has been made of the impact of the UK Government's tax change on the farming industry here in Wales? And can you also tell us what representations you've made to the Chancellor about this specific tax policy?
Llywydd, on this matter, the Welsh Government has been led by the Deputy First Minister, and he has had a series of direct contacts with UK ministers to make sure that the concerns of Welsh farmers are well known to those who in the end will be responsible for making decisions. The Deputy First Minister, as well as face-to-face discussions, I think as recently as the very end of October, with Angela Eagle, the Minister now responsible for these matters, has put those concerns in writing to the UK Government in March and again in September, making sure that there is meaningful engagement with Welsh farming unions on their concerns, and to ask the UK Government to consider any practical alternative proposals that may mitigate any particular adverse impacts, particularly those on smaller family farms. So, Llywydd, I think I can say without any hesitation that the Welsh Government, through the work of the Deputy First Minister, has ensured that the concerns that Paul Davies has raised and those raised by those in the industry have been clearly communicated, directly communicated to those who in the end will make these decisions.